With ChatGPT, I was able to use their scripting program to create a Python script to create an orthodontic wire. You can see on the right hand side the script, which is the Python code. This is the execution on the lower right or lower left, sorry. And this wire just appeared. I was able to form it to the shape of this model fairly quickly. And the big advantage that you have is you can have all these little handles now. You can add some, you can remove some, it's up to you. And obviously it needs to be automated, but you can select one and you can decide that the wire should be a little bit further or a little bit closer. It's up to you. You can decide that you want the wire to touch the teeth for whatever reason. It doesn't matter. It's your decision. You may want to do a little bit of rotation to engage them. And again, it's a round wire that is a little bit oversized just to show you. So you can also decide that you want to make a little bend in this wire here to make it somewhat different. You can do totally what you want. Again, we are not yet into applications because at the moment we are not really trying to move teeth. We're just trying to see what the program can do for us, and that's just the first try. So it's obvious that we have a lot of work to do, but now we can definitely create wires with robots that will be done into an open source environment and do whatever you want. It's obvious the shape will be changed. There's a lot of changes to be made, but this is kind of interesting that you can now create wires from a Python program. Thank you.